Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about routing dynamic EIGRP. Okay, open the application Cisco Packet Tracer on desktop. Click two times. Wait 4 minutes. The Cisco Packet Tracer finish open. Okay, the topology and not in here. Routing dynamic routing EIGRP. The topology is sum the static route in previous video. Okay, create again the topology for routers. Okay, for routers and to end device. Again, this router Bogor in Semarang, Solo, and router 3 Balikpapan. Okay, and create the end device laptops and tank laptop 1 to laptop 2, laptop 0 to laptop 1. Okay, finish. Connect the cable. And automatically router Bogor to Semarang, Semarang to Solo, and Solo to Balikpapan, and Bogor to end device. Okay, and Balikpapan to end device laptop 2. Okay, and next create the IP address. IP address 10.1, 10.2. Same again in topology static route. Okay, in Semarang Solo 10.2 and 10.3. 20, I'm sorry, 20.3. Okay, and IP address in router Solo to router Balikpapan 30, 33 and 34. Create again 33 and 34. 34. Okay, this topology in routers and IP address in device 1.1 and subnet max 24 and laptop 2 2.1 and subnet max of prefix 24. Okay, this topology the dynamic routing EIGRP. Next, configuration IP address in routers by routers. Open the routers Bogor, CLI, configure basic, create routers, create IP address. Fast, net 0/0, no shutdown, IP address 10.1 and subnet max. Interface, net 01, no shutdown, IP address and subnet max, and next do write finish to configure IP address in router Bogor, and next configure IP address in router Semarang. Enable configure terminal and interface net 00, no shutdown, IP address 10.2 and subnet max. Okay. Interface versionnya 01, shutdown to router Solo on router Semarang. 20.2 subnet max. Okay, I'm sorry, this typo. Interface versionnya 01, no shutdown. IP address 20.2 and subnet max. Okay, do right and configure IP address in router Solo. Router Solo, no shutdown. Again, enable configure terminal interface or hostname. We will configure hostname Solo and interface space Ethernet 00, no shutdown. IP address 20.3. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, and interface space Ethernet 0100. I'm sorry, in the Solo, the 00.20.3 and fast Ethernet 01. I'm sorry, not focus. Okay, no shutdown and IP address 30.4. Okay, do right. Open again in Semarang. Hostname, configure the hostname Semarang. And Bogor, hostname Bogor. Okay, and configure in routers Balikpapan. Routers Balikpapan, configure IP address basic. No, enable configure terminal. Okay, I'm sorry, this typo forwarding and open again. Configure terminal. Interface space Ethernet 00, no shutdown, and IP address 30.4. And this is not focus, brother. In router Solo 30.3 and router Balikpapan 30.4. Configure to NDFS space Ethernet 01. No shutdown. IP address 2.1 and subnet max. Okay, finish, do right. Configure IP address in router, finish, and configure IP address in NDFS. Laptop 1, the IP address 1.2 and default gateway the routers, IP routers 1.1. And desktop laptop 2, configure IP address 2.2 and default gateway the IP routers 2.1. Okay, finish the configure basic to adding IP address. And next, testing again router Bogor to Semarang. Okay, successful router Semarang to Solo. Okay, successful and router Solo to Balikpapan. Successful. Next, I want to talk about AIGRP. What is AIGRP? AIGRP is the routing dynamic and handset interior gateway protocol. Enhanced interior gateway protocol. What is? AGRP is Cisco proprietary advanced distance vector or hybrid routing protocol using dual algorithm, multicast or unicast for exchange information use port XT8. Okay, administrative distance is 19. And classless routing protocol support via SIM and CIDR. Support IP version 6. And reach metric, bandwidth, delay, load, and reliability. Very fast convergence, equal and unequal load balancing, and 100% loop free. This AGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Protocol. Next, the configure routing dynamic AIGRP. The configure is advertise the network on routers. Configure AIGRP. The advertise network in routers. Example, the routers Bogor advertise the network 10 and 192.168.1.1. Okay, advertise the network. Advertise the network in routers. The syntax network XXXX and the subnet mask. Okay, the subnet mask wildcard. The wildcard is 000 or 255. Okay. Okay, get started to configure AIGRP configuration. In router Bogor, first the configure is router AIGRP. Configure nodes in here. I want to nodes configure the router AIGRP and as number autonomous system numbers. Example, you open router Bogor, routers AIGRP and mark question. This is autonomous system 1 to many autonomous system. An example, router AIGRP 10. Okay, and advertise all network in routers Bogor. The network 10.0 all networks and wildcard from prefix 24. The wildcard 24 next max is 000.255. The wildcard and network 10.10.0.000.255 and advertise again the network and device 1.0 and wildcard 255. Okay, and no auto summary. Auto summary is advertise the subnet mask in routing table. Okay, finish do right in routers Bogor. Next, configure in router Semarang. Router GRP 10. Sum the AS number in router Bogor. Why sum? But no sum, no successful in routers AIGRP. Okay, advertise network in router Semarang network 10 and 20. And 0 and wildcard. Okay, this notification IPAI 10 neighbor. The neighbor is IP address router Bogor. Network 20.0 and wildcard. Okay, and no auto summary. Do right. Next, configure in router Solo. Enable configure terminal, router AI gRPI, and network 20.0 and wildcard. This is up new agency and network 30.0 and wildcard. No auto summary. Okay, do right. And next, configure in routers Balikpapan. The router Balikpapan advertise network 30 and network and device. Router AI gRPI 10 and network 30.0 and wildcard. Okay, this no agency again in router Solo network 30. Okay, so again in Solo do run in IP address. Oh, this wrong in IP address in Universal Internet 01. No 4 but 3. Okay. Remake reconfiguration in interface 01. Interface 01 and IP address is 30.30.3. I'm sorry, I wanna focus. Okay, do right. Nah, this is up agency is network 30. Okay, and advertise again the router, AGRP, network, and device. And device and 2.0 and wildcard. No auto summary. Okay, do right. Okay, finish. To show the IP route in router, the syntax is do show IP route. Yes, in routing table there is the flag D. D is AIGRP. Okay, in router Bogor. And check again in router Semarang. Do show IP routes. Come again. There is flag D. Flag D of AIGRP. And router Solo do show IP routes. Okay. In router Solo, there is flag D again. The AIGRP routing table is network 2 and network 10. Okay. In router Balikpapan, do show IP routes. Okay. In router Balikpapan, some again, there is flag D, AIGRP. And check again in router Bogor. Finish to advertise the network. Oh, this finish the configure and test ping in router Bogor, router Semarang. Okay, successful. Router Bogor, Solo. Okay, successful. And router Solo. Sorry, to Bogor to Balikpapan. Okay, successful. And the open in laptop 1 testing step by step laptop 1 to Bogor. Okay, this failed. Check again in router Bogor. So run, show run. Oh, I'm sorry. No network 2.1, but the network in VSDNet 01 is 1.1. I'm sorry. Interface VSDNet 01 and IP address reconfiguration is 1.1. Okay, internet mask. Correct. Finish. Fast forward. Typing again. Laptop 1 to Bogor. Okay, successful. Laptop 1 to Semarang, successful. Laptop 1 to Solo, successful. And laptop 1 to Balikpapan, successful. And typing in laptop 2 to laptop 1. Okay, the IP address 2.2 ping the IP address and device laptop 1. Open command prompt, ping the IP address laptop 1. 1. Okay, reply. This about the routing dynamic AI GRP. Okay, now for me in this video, I want to speak thank you very much to watching video and bye bye.